until now, you've worked with raw data, relationships, and clean tables. But to really unlock the power of Power BI, you need to go beyond what's already in the dataset. That's where DAX, Data Analysis Expressions, comes in. In this video, you'll learn the difference between calculated columns and measures, and you'll create your very first DAX formulas. DAX is a formula language similar to Excel functions, but designed for data modeling and analysis. With DAX, you can create new fields, build custom KPIs, apply time intelligence, and make dynamic calculations that respond to filters and slicers. Let's compare calculated columns and measures. Calculated columns are stored in your data model as new columns, evaluated row by row. For example, profit equals sales revenue. Sales cost. Measures are not stored in the model. They're calculated on the fly. For example, total revenue is SUM, sales revenue. Measures respond to filters and are better for performance. To create a calculated column, go to Data View, select the sales table, and click New Column. Enter. Profit equals sales revenue. Sales cost. This adds a new column for every row. To create a measure, in its report view, select the sales table and click New Measure. Enter. Total revenue equals SUM sales revenue. Place it in a card visual to see total revenue. Add a slicer for year or product category and watch the measure recalculate dynamically. Other DAX examples. Total orders equals controls sales. Average order value assures total revenue, total orders. Profit margin issues divide. Profit, total revenue, 0. For time intelligence, first create a calendar table. Then, YTD. Revenue issues total EDC. Total revenue, calendar date. Or revenue LY equals calculate total revenue, same. Period last year, calendar date. Common mistakes include overusing calculated columns instead of measures, forgetting a calendar table, and mixing up row context and filter context. Best practices: use measures whenever possible, name them clearly, and organize them in folders. Let's demo. Create a profit column in sales. Then create measures for total revenue, total orders, and average order value. Place them in visuals. Add a slicer by year. Now all measures update instantly based on the slicer. That's the power of DAX. Recap: you learned what DAX is, the difference between columns and measures, how to write basic formulas, and how to apply time intelligence. Congratulations, you've written your first DAX. In the next video, we'll explore building visuals in Power BI and telling stories with data. See you there.